name is Kevin Bean. I'm president of AlliedBean Demolition. Today we are here with the resulting factor of bringing down a 10-story hotel here in beautiful Miami Beach when the ocean is literally 100 yards to our east here. As you can see, we have some large equipment here. We have a Kobelco SK500 with traditional demolition tools. Originally, this project started with a 100,000 square foot hotel that was connected to the hotel to my left. We spent 2 months separating floor by floor with mini equipment and then craning down floor by floor. Once we had the remaining rectangular structure, 10 stories, we in essence imploded it. So now we're doing the cleanup, separation of the materials and removal of the concrete back to the slab. This is a project that has taken 12 weeks and it's one of many projects that we currently have ongoing at the moment.